Everyone, Lon, tell everyone.
Yeah, if you're flying this around on the street and you hit a car, you're just gonna go splat, just like a bird. I've hit birds before on the street, and they just go splat on your car.
You've killed birds.
Well, I remember I was on the highway, and they fell from the overhead sign. And what are you supposed to do when you see an animal on the street? You're supposed to run into it.
You are?
You are, because if you swerve, it'd be way worse.
Yeah.
You're supposed to hit the animal.
Yeah. So see if anybody hits this drone, I'm just gonna lose a GoPro in the drone. But nothing bad could happen. Look at how little it is. Look, it's smaller than my hand.
It's like a squirrel.
Yeah.
It's a squirrel.
Yeah, so stop being so sensitive. Nobody's gonna die. We're just gonna have a good time. Good fun, okay? Right?
That's right.
See, there's an adult here, and
Don't be so sensitive.
yeah, thank you. We got a guy from the drone channel.
Oh God, no.
He came to the hair salon. Woo! Ralphie got to see firsthand the discus sound. What did it sound like?
Fantastic. Oh, you can hardly hear it. It's whisper quiet.
I took him to the middle of the trains, the train thing, and we went for a fun rip. Yeah, this is my new FPV buddy, Ralphie FPV. Okay, go subscribe to him.
Oh no.
He'll be diving soon.
Yeah.
So he's experiencing analog through better goggles.
Okay.
But so like what lots of people don't realize too is like they just see the people in the video.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you saw like how I saw where the people were. I made sure there was that clearing.
Yeah, exactly.
Like where I went up over like behind where they are.
Yeah, exactly.
I made sure there's no people there where I'm coming down.
Yeah.
So I made sure it's clear. Then I went down, and then I had the people in front of me.
Yeah.
And I did it carefully, right?
Yeah.
Because it's just like it's not like I'm just whipping in front of them or whatever. Like it's all planned.
Plus, the thing is, you're pretty good at controlling the drone.
I think there's a difference too with the edit, because the way I edit and make everything look like faster and everything too, compared to like when you see how I'm flying pretty like gentle.
Well, and plus the thing is, there's a time for. Oh, nice, you did that too. There's a time for cruising and like. And then there's a time for just ripping like murders FPV.
Yeah. And it's just so most of the time when I'm outside doing the kind of stuff you just saw, it's actually really kind of
cathartic.
Relaxed.
Yeah.
I'm not going ham. Once we get to the crane.
All right.
So I don't know what happened. This pack wasn't as good as the other one. Maybe it's just cold. But I got to the crane, and then the pack said 4.3.
Oh, really?
No, it said 3.4.
It wasn't anything I did to it.
No, it said 3.4.
Okay.
And I was just like, oh my God. I'm not really looking at the voltage.
Yeah.
But when it's cold like this,
Yeah.
the voltage drops, like it can drop so fast.
It's funny too because the battery heats up while it's being used, so you'd think that would keep it warm.
Yeah, but it's just when it's this cold, your batteries go from like 4 minutes, 5 minutes to 2 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Plus my fingers were freezing.